Me not afraid of tough shots. Any bars when me see me, I go broke that.
And there are Vals left a long time because I told demonic people them there. A whole heap of wickedness and doing a man place. There are Vals got prison for all I murder when commit a Mrs. One little thinking girl I come talk about Anne-Marie Vals. Fix up road and she fit dig up back road and railway. Anne-Marie Vals of Portland. Thinking girl, idiot girl. Anne-Marie Vals a run come show a road and sit down because she want to get voting and get the trust of people. You know nothing about Portland thinking girl. A Mansion Hill all late school me used to go thinking girl. Mansion Hill me born thinking girl. What you know about Portland? Sometimes when you see some things and allow it alone, man, and see people, community, and allow people, community, who don't know nothing about, man. You don't come from them, man. I know why you come on TikTok and talk nothing about Portland. And Marie Vals left a long time. Daryl Vals left a long time. Because I told demonic people them there. A whole heap of wickedness and doing a man place. Daryl Vals got prison for all I murder when commit and make other people got a whole heap of things go on and I don't know about, you know. When I come talk about Portland people and grateful thinking, girl.
Fresh
Better
rock.
come shut to them out and come on TikTok and say nothing, you know. Big up Isaac Buchanan. Big up what you do for the people them over there. Big up what you do for the youth them, the younger generation them over there. Pertaining to education wise and pertaining to justice. You see what I say? So I'm not like a thinking girl come on TikTok and come talk, you know. On a thinking prime minister, on a thinking prime minister go dash your box them. Make a police boy and a police girl and go dash your box them. So on a thinking people that come on TikTok and not talk nothing about that. The whole I know I see anything on the Prime Minister don't go send them go dash your people and box them and sit down and see video. They must show a police girl and the police boy and go dash your Mark Golden box them. Hey girl, go suck your mama off and come off a TikTok and a concern in a dirty girl. I want your germs girl. Go chuck off in your mama and splash up your auntie them and go.
But me not even gonna read the comment as I say. If Portland know why them vote her out, and we're gonna stand strong on that. Them all alright, you say two farm worker give away. You say two farm worker that give away them look for all of them people them and give them. Check up a feed them division and feed them place. TJ, you not understand. And people gonna get up and come and talk about ungrateful. There's nothing ungrateful about that. Give Isaac a chance and let me see what him a go do. Let's give him a chance. And we are going to be here, PMP or no PMP. Just give Isaac a chance. And Marie get 6 years. Vaz get how much in here? Just give and Isaac a chance. I'm not care. I'm going to leave this before I come down. If Portland wasn't a labor rights seat, just like how you have the Prime Minister seat a dieted. So why is it Anne-Marie losing our seat where I know see her, it cause a big problem this morning?
The problem is because, like I said, we the people see the work we shall put in, and that is why the people upset and I wonder why she lose.
Because Portland has spoken, so Portland spoke.
No,
so
not
just leave it there, so TJ.
All right,
TJ, you don't know nothing about Portland. And
that is why I'm tell you the truth. To tell you the truth, based off of where you talk, but tell you no. I don't just listen for respond, but listen for understand. So
I be a corruption
between the lines and I get to understand. Say,
all right, you see the big people they wanna come out, come help campaign, no come out. You see the girl with them on TikTok, I mean not care, me go call her name.
No, call
me no, the girl was a funeral, Miss Funeral, whatever from Portland.
Oh, I don't know that, but continue. All right.
Yeah, we always play with Donna. The couple people are supposed to come out and help the labor right them campaign. We have money. The big guns them did not come out, and that you not understand.
So why? You know why they never come out?
Because the big businessmen were dead from Ochi, where they come from Port. There's too much to talk, and I'm not going to say much. So everybody we are talking about lie.
You weren't supposed to tell me say if fear pity them, we are near out of fear pat. We are live off of fear under fear rules. Don't believe say them to vote for you. Why we as Jamaicans vote for you? If you wanna pity them now support you, what we are support you for? We don't own Jamaica. Andrew Willis not own Jamaica and wife not own Jamaica. First of all, you tell people say time come, and neither Andrew owns Nah, Julius, none of them two pitney. Them no come vote for them. But
Fresh drop.
choose to buy play ticket, come vote for them, and then pitney don't want to vote for them. Where them supposed to work for so them a work for left a legacy for Jamaica. And them pitney, them owner pitney, not interested in a partaking in the legacy or contributing to the legacy. But whole out and kill up on yourself, that's not supposed to show you something. How me know that? Because they're on no voters list. And if them vote today, them a go to jail. As Damien Crawford said, one by one, wanna go into jail. Because they are on no voters list. When they put their name in the EOJ website, they are on no voters list. None whatsoever. None. Anybody where they on the voters list just put them name and they say them name come up and we part them beat there. When I leave people kids, them are big people, them are picnic, them are 20, them are grown adult man. When I kids, we not talk about nobody 6-year-old or 10-year-old or even 17-year-old. We are talking about grown 20-year-old big man. You're saying by left people kids out of this. First of all, when you go into politics, nothing about you. Nothing about you is private. And you're the property of Jamaica. When you go into politics, you are the property of Jamaica. You are not a private citizen. You're not entitled to no form of privacy. Everything about you is public information. Every single thing about you, your medical records, your marital status, your finances, everything about it is public record. Once you choose, nobody never go there and say, Andrew, please, me I beg you, for run the country. No. You submitted yourself and brought yourself forward. So you're not supposed to want to hide nothing about you. You have no privacy. There's no privacy. All the privacy you have is time on the toilet for doodoo. And even after you do, if you got a doctor, and the doctor said doodoo in that cup here, and the doctor tests your doodoo, and the doodoo find out you have prostate cancer, not even your doodoo. Not private. Because we want to know the country need to know what is the doctor find in your stool sample. We want to know you. If you have cancer, we need to know. If you have worms, we need to know. If you have irritable bowel syndrome, we need to know. Because you are elected by us, you work for us. So we want to know everything that is happening with our possession. It is not people business, it is my business. It is your business. It is all of our business. And a fiend business, he don't have no business. Andrew only, once you're the Prime Minister of the country, you don't have no business. You have no business for yourself. It is the business of the country because you are a part. You said like how Jamaica own JUTC bus. Jamaica own Andrew Holness. You own him because him come sacrifice. He was the sacrificial lamb. He gave up himself as a sacrificial lamb to the country. And this is what you don't understand. You don't feel like we serve them. No, them serve we. They are the servants of us. And we as the people them serve them and them serve we. Them are with tool. We use them for somebody said, but not his kids. Me not using pity them. Me talk the truth. His children are not registered voters.
Fresh drop.
And if your children are not registered voters, your children cannot vote. And if your children cannot vote, they cannot vote for you. And if your children are not voting for you, obviously you nor your wife couldn't convince your people them to go register for vote. So what we have to say right now is this now. Think about this. Once you reach the age of 18, you can automatically go to your local office and you can go register for vote. You can go put yourself on the voter list at 18. One of them people them born 22 and one of them born 24. So one of them are 21 and one of them also 23 or 24. And if you are 21, that means 3 years now since you turned 18. One of them are 24, that means 6 years now you turned 18. And in the 6 years since you turned 18 or 5 years since you turned 18, your parents couldn't convince you if you got get you married in, to put yourself on the voters list, and your parents are the leaders of the country. Remember, say 9 years now, Andrew, now, in a government. You know. That means one MP them, 2 election cycles now pass and he no vote. The next one election cycle. So at the beginning of the last election cycle, he became 18. And he never go vote. So you ever tell me, say, Andrew, nor his wife, never look upon him, pity them and encourage them to go. Because you know my parents grew up, you know. If your parents them have a degree, they are going to encourage you to go to school, to go look at degree too. Like me I tell. If your parents them own a vehicle, they are going to encourage you to get a vehicle for yourself. If your parents them own a house, they are going to encourage you to own a house. If your parents are into politics and run the country, they are going to encourage you as their child to go out to vote. That is automatic. And you're telling me that 3 years straight, your parents couldn't convince you if you got even new married, much less you got vote. The next one, 6 years straight, your parents can't convince you if you got new married, much less you vote. But your parents them are run. And you not feel like say you're supposed to contribute to the bread basket where your family have. That alone supposed to tell me say if you pity them, we are near out of your pot. We are live off of fear and the fears. Don't believe say them to vote for you. Why we as Jamaicans we vote for you? If you wanna pity them now support you, what we are support you for? Somebody said, did Mark's kids vote? Yes, they did. All 3 of them are on the voters list. All 3 of them are enumerated and eligible to vote. All 3 of them went to vote. And don't come tell me say, oh, it's because them overseas. Mark pity them a visa too. Mark pity them a visa for all over the world too. We travel all over the world too. The same way like how you could buy $1,300 and $1,500 and $1,800 ticket if you come down to Jamaica for 3 days out of phone hard earn money if you go vote. Those billionaires could have jumped on a JetBlue or even a Spirit airline if you come to Jamaica come vote for them papa and them woman. But did they? Did they? And I'm 100% sure that all of the people around them, the advisors, want them of the optics, how it would have look. All of them did want them how it would have look. I'm 100% sure of that. I'm 100% sure of that. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, it is the end of the election.